it's on. Look at that. Got me a snack, a little bit of Red Bull, candy bar. I'm ready to get back out there. This must be the place. Quantum 2 time. Woo, that strong wind is gonna be crazy, I bet. All right, how'd they wind this on here? All right, they got kite side down first. That doesn't make any sense to me. I wound my kite so I could pull off this part first. Okay, whatever. I guess I'll go stake this down way up there. All right, I'm staked down there. All right, now I gotta go get my stake. Oh. I guess I need to check my string length here. It looks like it's pretty good, but let me check it. Yeah, that's nice and that's really good. Ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, go get my stake. Wound it on there from the factory the other way. I wouldn't have to make that extra trip. So now I've got my line staked down. I can put my kite together down there. Okay, first time. We have very strong winds. I consider myself fairly intermediate, so we'll see. Definitely singing. Wow, it's really confident out on the edge of the window. My dynamite was just kind of all over the place. I could pull that out. Well, it's a very strong wind, but I can pull that right out to the edge, and it's just as confident as it can be. Wow, it's just like, just nothing out there on the edge, man. Oh, I did it. Oh, yeah. Crap. That's the part I suck at. yeah. Oh! I need to learn how to bounce it right there. Gotta learn how to do this, man. Otherwise you walk the whole time. Guess I'm gonna walk it. What a beautiful day it turned out to be. We should have, no we shouldn't. We shouldn't. Bertha, don't you come around here anymore. 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 I gotta get wet. Woo, baby. Just a little chilly, not bad at all though, considering the wind and the temperature out here, which I don't even know what it is with all this wind. But I got just a little bit of battery left. I'm gonna take the Quantum 2 up one more time. GoPro's battery's low. I love it. I love the Quantum 2. I love the Bora 7. Good job, Prism. Love them. Thanks for watching.